Good day, Mr. Abiel. We are back again with a quick update, and apparently, it's an incredible update today. But I'm a little bit confused because if I start to look at the economy and some of the things that you sent out in an update email this morning, you're referencing the economy slowing down, jobs growth has slowed down, and so with all of that information, I'm unsure, and I'm sure that the general public is a little bit confused as to how bad information coming out of the government and the economy can translate into something really, really good for real estate investors and real estate buyers. So I'd love to start off today and have you give us a little bit of understanding on how that works and how it's going to benefit the real estate industry as a whole, buyers and sellers and investors.
Absolutely. Thank you for that warm intro. So basically, what's going on is that the economy itself, as far as the 10-year treasuries, the job reports, and all the other ones are showing slowdowns, but they're slowing down past where the government actually wants them to be. So what that means is that to get those reboosted, they actually need to lower interest rates so that more business can happen. We actually have a really good chart that we're going to be showing you guys where it shows exactly how that works. But basically, what it means is they need to send a boost into the economy to make sure that spending and jobs keep getting created. So what that means is that they have to lower interest rates, and by that, then our real estate industry also will lower interest rate. Now, what does that mean? It's a great time for our viewers out there to get off of the sidelines and go out there and start looking for houses. Reason being is because it's the best time to purchase right now. The major effects have not been felt yet of what's coming. So what that means is you can still purchase a house without the big competition that's coming down. There's a lot of people that have been sitting on the sidelines waiting to be able to purchase a house, and they've been waiting for rates to start dropping. So right now is the time to start looking for a purchase, get under contract, get that great rate that dropped this morning as well. It's actually dropped a couple of times, and it's been getting better and better, and it's only going to get much better as well. The other great news is that the rates are actually going to have a bigger cut in September because, of course, they didn't cut them this week. So that everything's indicating that September is going to be the next big cut. And then because things are indicating a downward trend with the economy, that actually might mean that we're going to get a second rate cut this year, which is huge news for our industry. So it's not just good news; it's great news for the real estate and mortgage industry.
Okay. So what you're saying is if you're a buyer, right now is the perfect time to do it. You can negotiate the price on the homes and you're getting a better interest rate. And even if those interest rates continue to drop over the course of the next year, people can always go back and refinance their house, right?
Absolutely. So the good thing is that we actually had a small rate drop. So even if you ended up locking your rate last week, it might be a good time to give us a call to see if we can beat that rate this week. And then 6 months down the road to a year down the road, do a refinance, but still get that house at the best price right now before the rates start dropping and those buyers start getting off the sidelines.
Okay. So as I keep telling my buyers, now if you've got the money, is the right time to buy. We can negotiate the heck out of the prices of the homes. And with the interest rates dropping, that's good news because you're going to get lower interest rates. So you've got best of both worlds, a lower price on the house, a little bit of a lower interest rate. But tell us what happens as soon as the interest rates really start to drop. What is the expectation? Because we've got so much inventory currently in the market, and some properties are sitting on the market for quite a while.
Right. So one thing does affect the other. So the big thing to keep in mind is if you wait until it starts hitting the news that the rates have started dropping, it's already too late because everybody's going to get off the sidelines. You're going to start getting a lot more competition, and we're going to start having to go to what's happening in 2021 and 2022, where you were having a way over offer on a house to be able to win on your bids. So like Brian's saying, now is the time. Now is the time to get the house at the best price. You can still negotiate. You can negotiate for a seller to contribute closing costs, a 2-to-1 buy down, a couple of different things right now. Is your time to negotiate. And then once the rates really, really get down there, we can absolutely refinance your house. And now you have the best of both worlds, your low cost house with your low cost rate.
That's awesome. All right. So let us know in the comments below what you guys think, and comments that you have on what's happening. If you've got questions, drop them. We'll try to answer them for you, or just reach out to Abiel or myself. We'd be happy to connect with you and help you through the buying process, whether it's on the lending side, you've got questions on what you look like, what, if now's the best time for you to buy or not, and run some scenarios for you. And we'll keep updating you guys over time.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, Abiel.
Thank you.